So today I'm going to do the tutorial for what I call the princess dress. I've heard a lot of different names, but I feel like a princess when I'm wearing it. So this is the tutorial I'll be doing for you guys today. Couple of things to note for this particular dress style. You need to size down. So I normally wear the regular size skirts. I'm a size 2 or 4, depending, how sizes go, in US sizes. So this is actually a junior ankle. So I'm not a regular size down. Some of you may even need a size down 2. So if you normally wear a goddess or an extra large, you might go to the regular or junior. And I'll show you why, because there's a lot of fun stuff you can do with this particular dress, but only if you size down. So there's actually one of the styles I can't quite make work because I have too much material. So size down or 2. See if you can find one from a skirt sister or a family member on sale on our Facebook groups, and see what you can do. But you're definitely going to want to size down. Material doesn't matter, but you do need at least one buttonhole in the middle of the skirt to make this style work well. Give it a little bit more security. So this will be the finished product, but here we go. So you'll start with your skirt off, because most of us start with our skirts off, pulling it through the back here. Okay, so long layer facing you, okay, and just make like a little loop right in the middle. So just loop that for now. Now turn the skirt to the side, and you're going to want to thread one side through that buttonhole in the middle, and then turn your skirt the other direction, thread the other tie through the buttonhole in the middle. Okay, and loosely. Now bring it back to the middle. That part that you looped, you can pull it all the way up over your head. I might put too many of my ties through. Put it over your head. So now you have the ties coming through the back. This is tightened over your head. Now, a couple of things here. Depending on what size skirt you have and what size you are, you can adjust this top to look super cute. So you want to make sure you put your arms through those straps. Okay, so the strap now is going down the middle of your back, both straps, and they're still through that buttonhole back there. Okay, but what you can do here is, depending on bust size, skirt size, etc., you can kind of lay this really nicely where it just kind of, the strap comes right above your breast. Okay, so you could do that on both sides. This is super cute when it's worn like this. I can't do this because I have too much extra skirt. So this is why I'm saying you might size down twice for this. But if you can't, that's okay, because you just tighten it a little behind your neck. So bring it up a little bit more. Okay, so I get mine right up to my collarbone. Okay, then you're gonna pull the straps down through the back. Kind of do the whole ponytail where you just pull it tighter. And then turn it back around. So under layer, you're going to tuck under one side, so across the body, tuck it, and then the other side goes across the other way and tuck it. Now, highly recommend that you safety pin this if you're going to be out and about. Because if you don't, it does this slow sliding down after an hour or so, and all of a sudden it's like split down the middle and you're showing off things you probably don't want to show off. So if you can, safety pin it to itself here, and then safety pin it to itself here. That would be my recommendation if you're going to be out and about, if you're going to a festival, if you're going to church, whatever, wherever you're going, you probably want to safety pin the under layer. You don't have to safety pin the top layer. So get it crisscross, make it look cute, however you want, and then just lightly drape the top layer for now. Grab your straps from the back, one each side, and then I tie kind of right under my bosom. Okay, and I just kind of loosely tie the first time, because now I'm going to play with this top layer a little bit. I also need to play with my straps. I don't have it quite tight enough. So pull it up a little bit, tighten it behind my neck, and then pull it down back here. And I got to retie my bow already. You might have to retie your bow 2 or 3 times. It's totally okay to do it. Okay, and then you just want to take this front part, and you can do one of two things. So right now I have it kind of close together, kind of have it over, both layers are over my breast, and I'm going to straighten out this bottom part so you can kind of see this nice beautiful paloo here. Do the same thing on the other side. And voila, I have this really adorable dress, right? It's a little gray outfit. It is a little low in the back, so some people might feel more comfortable with a tank top underneath it, or a bandeau, or you could do a bralette. You could also go braless, kind of just depends on your comfort level, really. Okay, so this is one way, or if you wanted, you can kind of pull this over to the side, so like you're wearing almost like a vest. So the top layer comes over to the side, it's a little too far, and you show off that gorgeous long layer, but you still show off that gorgeous short layer as well. So you can kind of wear it either way. It's a little bit longer in the back than the front, which is good for those of us that have a little extra junk in the trunk. And this is the princess dress. So I hope you guys love this tutorial. I also hope you love playing with your Sari wrap skirts. Don't forget to click to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. That's a wrap.